The Tata Nexon 2025 comes with a bold new design, enhanced technology, and improved safety features, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. With its striking front grille, sleek LED DRLs, and redesigned bumpers, the Nexon looks more aggressive and futuristic than ever. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves overall efficiency. The alloy wheels get a fresh design, adding to its sporty character, while the new LED taillamps give the rear a premium touch. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with a modern and tech-loaded interior. The new digital instrument cluster provides clear and crisp information, while the floating touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The touch-sensitive climate control panel adds a premium feel, and the new steering wheel, inspired by Tata's luxury lineup, enhances the driving experience. Soft-touch materials on the dashboard and ambient lighting create a more upscale environment. The spacious cabin ensures comfort for all passengers, with ventilated seats and the higher variants for added luxury. The Nexon 2025 continues to offer multiple powertrain options, including a refined petrol engine and a powerful diesel variant. The 1.2-liter turbo petrol delivers a responsive and engaging drive, while the 1.5-liter diesel ensures excellent fuel efficiency and torque for highway cruising. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual, a smooth shifting AMT, and a modern dual-clutch automatic for a more premium driving feel. Tata has also worked on improving NVH levels, making the cabin quieter and more comfortable on long drives. On the technology front, the Nexon 2025 is equipped with a 360-degree camera, a blind spot monitoring system, and a new AI-based voice assistant that responds to commands with enhanced accuracy. The connected car features allow remote access to vehicle functions, including climate control, door lock, unlock, and vehicle tracking. The updated sound system, tuned by a premium audio brand, delivers an immersive music experience, making road trips even more enjoyable. Safety has always been a priority for Tata Motors, and the Nexon 2025 takes it to the next level. With the 5-star global NCAP rating, the SUV is built on a high-strength steel structure, ensuring maximum protection. It comes with 6 airbags as standard, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The introduction of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, in higher variants, including lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control, enhances driving confidence and convenience. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to offer a perfect balance between comfort and handling. Whether navigating city roads or tackling rough terrain, the Nexon remains composed and stable. The steering is now more precise, offering better feedback at high speeds, while the improved braking system ensures quicker and more controlled stops. With a well-calibrated suspension and increased ground clearance, it remains one of the best choices for Indian road conditions. Tata has also introduced new color options, including dual-tone variants, giving buyers more customization choices. The updated Nexon now gets premium features like a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and a customizable digital cockpit, catering to tech-savvy consumers. The improved upholstery and seat cushioning enhance long-distance comfort, making it a great option for families and travel enthusiasts. The 2025 Tata Nexon also focuses on sustainability, with eco-friendly materials used in the interior and a more fuel-efficient engine lineup. Tata's commitment to electrification is evident, with the new Nexon EV featuring a larger battery pack, improved range, and faster charging capabilities. The electric version offers multiple driving modes, allowing users to optimize performance and efficiency based on their needs. The regenerative braking system further enhances energy recovery, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters. Tata Motors has priced the Nexon competitively, ensuring it remains a value-for-money offering in the segment. With its combination of style, technology, safety, and performance, the Nexon 2025 continues to be a strong player in the compact SUV market. Whether you are looking for a city-friendly SUV or an adventure-ready companion, the new Nexon promises to deliver an exciting and premium driving experience.